Can you still make money on TikTok Shop in 2025? Let's explore this. But before we do, hi, my name is Victor and I've made 5 figures in revenue, which led to profit of just over £1,000 as a TikTok Shop affiliate. Just got a few examples here that we are going to run through. But before we do, just a quick heads up, I have opened applications for my new one-to-one coaching program and it's only for limited spots. The link is in the description. So let's take a look at Shop Plus, which is a TikTok Shop data analysis tool. What I'd like to bring your attention to is some examples that I've come across here. I'm just going to go into this product detail tab for one of these products here. It's the Maybelline New York Colossal Bubble Mascara Black. And by the way, before my male viewers start saying, yes, it's only makeup that sells on TikTok Shop. No, there's a ton of different stuff, different categories, electronics, clothing, toys, technology, and so forth. This product detail page tells us what creators are selling the most when they are creating videos talking about the product in their videos. Now, there's a list of creators here that are ranked. As you can see, she's number 1, she's number 2, she's number 3, and so forth. There is an account named Mama Brain. They've only got 2,700 followers so far. The video they created to promote this makeup product is 38 seconds long, as you can see there. And if I go onto their video detail page here, you can see more information about the video they created. And if I click onto this link here, you'll also see that it is a genuine live TikTok video. So this is not just a screenshot. What I'd also like you to pay attention to is when these creators made these videos. So she made this video on the 11th of May 2025, which was a couple of days ago. Very recent, small creator, created a 38-second video, not even that high quality of a video. What we can also see here is in revenue, she generated £1,370, which equates to $1,820 in US dollars. This is just for today, not weekly or monthly. Now, I researched the product. The product sells at 10% commission. So that means Mama Brain here would have made 10% of this amount right here, this £1,370. So that means in commission, in her profits, after the seller takes away what they need to take away, she's made £137 just today from this one video. Remembering, TikTok doesn't limit the amount of videos you can post. She can post 5, 10 or 20 of these videos per day. Not saying each and every one of those videos is going to go viral and generate that amount of money, but it just gives you an idea of what the opportunity is behind all of that. Another example we can look at here is this bottom one, number 4, which is Alsa something. She's got 824 followers. So for you that think you need to have that minimum of 1,000 followers to start making money on TikTok, think about that. Under the minimum requirement, so she's probably applied as a seller, I'm not sure. She's made an 8-second long video. If I go into the video detail page here, this is the video. And again, if I click on this, you'll see it's a genuine video that is live on TikTok right now selling. Now, also what I'd like you to pay attention to is how horrible this video is doing in terms of engagement. She's only got 4 likes, 1 comment, no shares whatsoever. So looking at those stats, you think no one cares about this video. This video is flopping. She's only got 613 views. Now, I'd also like you to pay attention to the fact that this video was uploaded on the 11th of May 2025, about 2 or 3 days back, so recently. Now, she generated 334.49 pence in dollars. That works out at $444.80. Now, that's revenue overall and the equivalent in US dollars from an 8-second video where she doesn't even talk, doesn't show her face. It's literally just a montage of someone using that Maybelline product and she's making a profit. So again, these are just a few examples. If I was to go back to the products top sales product page here and filter by weekly, you'll notice the revenue goes up for that product. It'll be somewhere down here. I can't find it, but yeah, it'll be somewhere down there. I'm not going to look for it, but yeah, the longer I filter for, the revenue that's been made goes up. And if I filter by monthly, the revenue goes up. You get the idea. So is there still an opportunity to make money on TikTok Shop in 2025 as a seller or as a TikTok Shop affiliate? Taking into account the examples that I've just shown you, what do you think? Let me know in the comments. Also, this is just the United Kingdom. It's a smaller market than the USA, the United States. If I go onto that page and we have a look at the stats and the data, it tells again an entirely different story in terms of opportunity. People are still making a ton of money, but I'm not going to delve into deep on the USA side. That's perhaps another video. If you're interested in learning learning more about TikTok Shop affiliate, whether you're selling or whether you are promoting, I've left a link in the description if you want to chat to me directly. We'll talk about your goals, set a plan in place, and ensure that we get you to your first $100 within your first month. If you'd like to understand a little bit more about what TikTok Shop is exactly and how to research products and a whole lot more, I've left a video on the screen you can click into.